If you have a remote that looks like this is called a Dexen remote. For pairing your Dexen remote, you want to take your remote and go into the bottom of your gas stove and pull this open. This will show the control module, which is located right in the bottom here. And to pair this, you're going to need a small object like a pen or a paper clip. And it's tough to see here, but there is going to be a hole that you want to press the button. You're going to hear a beep and the light's going to start blinking green. Now you want to take your remote and press the power button. You'll hear another beep confirming that the control module and the remote has been synced.